All right, so we had a C10 come into the shop. Pretty cool. Customer actually wants to keep some of the patina, which I think is really, really cool. There's some like really nice patina around the edges. You can see it here up on top. Just cause, I don't know, to get that, you'd have to wait another 50 years, you know what I mean, to get that kind of stuff. So it's actually kind of cool. But what we are doing, we're repainting the whole interior, right? So in repainting the whole interior, the little back piece right here, you will see. So we went ahead and we're making that straight. We're gonna body work that straight. Same thing with the kick panels. The kick panels are gonna be made straight. Other than that, everything else is pretty much scuffed, except for the rockers. The customer went ahead and put their own rockers on. All we did do was we seam sealed the top gaps of them, so then that way we make sure that no water or anything gets back underneath them and rusts them. And we're just smoothing them out. So when you open the door, it looks really good. Again, we're not trying to repaint the whole piece because we don't want to take away the patina, but you can see the bottom of the rocker. We're gonna go ahead and scuff that and then try and blend it up into the cab a little bit without going too far. So like I said, again, that we don't take away from the patina. We took the doors off because again, we're doing the interior. So we've got the doors completely stripped down, going through. We did take care of some rust and stuff along the bottom of the doors and straightening the bottom of the doors so that we can make sure the gaps and everything else in there fit nice and tight. So you don't get any wind noise or anything else in there. And then we're gonna scuff it down and then just paint the doors to match. Again, we taped off pretty much at the seam. So you're gonna keep that patina look as soon as you open the door into the outside. Should be pretty cool. So, anyway.
We're not getting sponsored by them yet. You gotta put that down. Sorry, man.
It's all right.
And not until they get sponsored.
Not until. Okay. All right. Take one.
Action.
All right.